welcome back to my channel, and if you do not know me, my name is Rhea. So today we have Battle of the Brows for you. We are going to be testing 5 different brow products, letting you know if I like them, if I don't, and why I don't like them. I'm going to be rating them from a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not my favorite and 10 being absolutely amazing. So without wasting any more time, let's do this.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so
before I am going to just brush up my brows with a spoolie that I got with a makeup kit I got from China City. If you don't have this, then you can just use any old mascara wand and just clean it up and then do that. I've already shaped my brows, so that's why when I just brush them up, then you can see my shape. I'm first going to use my trusted Essence Eyebrow Designer. This is what I use. I love using this, and I always like to use it when it's like nice and sharp. So I'm just going to draw my brows just underneath like that. At the top, connect them and then shade them in, and then I'll show you what the Eyebrow Designer brow gives you. Yeah, I'll show you what brow the Eyebrow Designer gives you. And then I'm going to take the cap and just brush my brows and just even the product. As always, I'm going to use my flat brush and my LA Girl concealer just to clean up my brows. Dip it in my hand and then just clean up. I usually do the same procedure that I did. I usually do the same thing that I did. So I will just underline, clean up at the bottom and then at the top, and then that's it. Okay, so this is how this brow turned out using this pencil, and I would rate the pencil 8 out of 10. I love using it. It gives you like a natural look, but not so natural. So it's very deep in color, but still gives you that feathered brow effect that I like. Let's go to the next product. Now we have the Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. It is waterproof. It is very tiny. Let me just take it up like that. It is very tiny. I'm just going to do the other eye and we'll see which one won. I'm going to do the same technique. This is very nice and sharp, guys. So it's not as thick as the pencil. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is so precise that I won't need to clean up, like if I'm in the rush. So this is for your girl who's in a rush and you just want to quickly just do a lovely feathered brow, and that's it. But I'm going to clean it up and let you know what I think. Okay, I am back and I finished doing this brow. Let's do this. I just want to blend the concealer in a bit. I finished doing my brow with the Micro Precise pencil, guys, and I need to say, this is the best thing I've ever discovered. It is thin, so you can actually be precise in your brow, and look after I've cleaned it up. Like, compare the preciseness of this to this. I rate this a 9 out of 10. Like, so this wins over this anytime. I'm going to wipe both brows and then start all over and see what the next products have for us. Now that my brow is dry, I am going to use this Eylure. There we go. So it's very smooth. Just going to use a brush that looks like this. Take a bit of product and start lining my brow. This is so dark in pigment. Then I'm just going to take it up. I'm being very light with my hand. And please look at how dark my brow already looks. There we go. Would I recommend this to first timers, people who are still trying to learn makeup? No. I really feel like it's too difficult. I mean, you still need to, you have to be getting your brow right, the shape. You need to get the pigment right. So it's just a lot of things to handle when you're still a beginner. Let me clean it up and then see how it looks like. Guys, so this is how it turned out. I would still not recommend this to anyone who's trying to do a brow. I mean, it was difficult for me. I'm actually shocked that it turned out so good. It's very dark, and yeah, so this is this. I'd rate it a 7 out of 10 because of the difficulty. You need really to have like a steady hand and like make sure that you know your shape of your brow in order for you to get the perfect brow. But it's not a bad product. It doesn't transfer. I'm happy about how it turned out, but I rated a 7 out of 10. Wipe it off. Next one is the Eylure brow stencils. I'll put them up there. Pre-shaped arches for precise shaping. Easy to use brow stencils with an ideal style for everybody. So they come in 4 styles, like that. And already when I'm looking at them, I mean, I'm a small girl and my face is too small, so I don't even think it's going to fit. So I'm just going to choose the one that's closest to my brow shape, and I think full arch. It's already black. Please, these people, this is so big, guys. Like, it is so big for my face. So I'm going to do this brow. I'm just going to turn it over. And for this to work, I am going to use my oldie but a goodie. It's my Essence Eyebrow styler, I think. I'm just not sure about the name because it just got removed. It's so old. But it's got like its own tiny brush. And then I'm just going to dip into these 2 shades and fill in the stencil. Another thing about these is that it's so difficult for you to hold. Like, I don't know where to start, how to hold it. I'm just gonna start from the edge and just shade in between. I feel like this would be a good product if the sizes were on point. Like, then it would be a good beginner friendly brow stencil to use. And for the front, I want to lightly do it because I don't want to have a harsh brow. So I'm just going to feather it just a bit like that. And then fill the rest. I'd like to be surprised though. Obviously I'm going to have to shape it and clean it up, but consistency wise, let's see. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let's see. Look, it's not bad if you don't know the shape of your brow. Then you can use this, but let me clean it up and then I'll be back. Okay, so I need to feather out and just blend out the beginning of my brow because it's a bit harsh and we don't want a harsh brow. Okay guys, so this is how this brow turned out. The only bone I have to pick is with Eylure because their stencils are so big that it might just be too big for you. So let me just go do my face. And I rate the stencil 6 out of 10 only because they're too big, and yeah, I think that's it. only because they're too big. So 6 out of 10, but the brow product that I used is really good, so I would rate that a 7.5 out of 10. Let me go do my face and I will be right back with you. Okay guys, and we are back. I've done my face and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned so much about which products are actually good for your brow and which ones are not so good. So I'll see you next time and thank you for watching. Them from a scale of 1 to 10. Why is it getting so light? Oh, my lighting. Oh man.